Yo, what the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today we're gonna be getting into this plugin by SOUNDWARE called VYBE, man. I'm gonna do a little review on the joint, let y'all know what I feel about it, man. But before we get into it, man, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing on this channel, man. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I got this melody that I loaded up in here, a little quick melody that I did right quick, and I turned it into an audio file. So I just want to see how it works with audio files. I got the plugin right here up and bypassed. Let's see how it sounds without it. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, you know what I mean? Let's enable the plugin. Let's see what this thing can do. That's dope. That's hard. Got a low pass filter. That's hard. I'm a sucker for filters anyway. Like I love like different types of filters and all of that. They got a lo-fi slider. Okay, so that basically just, yeah, that's tight. Okay, speed, hold on, wait a minute. So you can do, let me see something here, bro. That's hard, that's hard. That's hard. That pretty much just turned it into a whole different joint. Nah, this is fun to work with. So yeah, I hope this video helped y'all with y'all decision on whether or not if you gonna get it. If you decide to, the links will be down in the description, man. All the info and everything that you need to know about it is down in the description, man. Click that joint, go get the plugin. I like it. Shout out to SOUNDWARE and this fire ass plugin, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. We out.